Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make public user-generated content easily. First, understand that UGC is content created by people, not brands, and it builds trust. Next, identify the best platforms for sharing, such as TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, where your content can reach a wide audience. Finally, always aim for authenticity. Genuine content performs best and connects deeply with viewers, making your message more impactful and memorable. Planning is key for successful public UGC. Start by choosing a niche you genuinely enjoy. Your passion will shine through and attract like-minded viewers. Then, research current trends and popular content formats on your chosen platforms to ensure your content is relevant and engaging. Finally, create a basic content calendar. This helps you post consistently, keeping your audience engaged and growing your presence over time. When creating your UGC, a modern smartphone is often all you need for excellent video and photo quality. After capturing your content, use readily available free or low-cost editing applications to refine your videos and images, adding a professional touch. Finally, optimize each post with relevant hashtags and compelling captions. This strategy significantly increases visibility and encourages more interaction from your audience, boosting your content's reach. To grow your public UGC presence, actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. This builds a loyal community. Regularly analyze your content's performance metrics to understand what resonates most with your viewers, allowing you to refine your strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Consistent engagement and smart analysis are crucial for sustained growth and impact, helping your content reach its full potential.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.